You know, I got to tell you, when I came over here, I didn't expect to see wine columns.
Oh,
So
yeah.
this is pretty cool. Tell me about this.
Okay, so this is actually a brand new wine cooler that we brought out to the market. The price point for this one is going to be $19.99. It holds 162 bottles, and it also has different features. So you can actually change the LED lighting to pink, orange, or just all blue. It also has Sabbath mode and child lock control, and it has a pretty big champagne holder for big champagne bottles.
162 bottles of wine? You heard it. A week's worth of wine from THOR. You know, this is so new that we're not even supposed to talk about this, but I begged and pleaded, and we got permission to show this to you. This is new. This is the future for THOR. I see induction. I see control panels. This is gorgeous stuff. What do we have?
Okay, so on your back, Mark, we have the induction cooktop. It is a 30-inch range. It is our first ever induction range. So we're going to have a 37 watts on the big one. As you notice, it is only for 4 burners. With induction, please take it into consideration that you can only use cooktops that are magnetic, or else it won't work. Also, like the HRG series is going to be all stainless steel, and the LED lights on the bottom, I don't believe it's on. And also, the oven is going to have boiler and convection as well.
Yeah, this is fantastic. I like the slide-in range look. It looks nice and sleek. It looks very modern. Induction, of course, is the best choice for Coloradoans because, you know, we have elevation. It takes forever for water to boil. So it looks like it's a brand that's going to be growing, and that it's probably going to have a little bit of a split personality. It's going to be hitting those entry level, but also maybe that more mid-level price point, but with that pro look.
Absolutely, absolutely. Like you said, it's that price point. We just want everybody to be able to afford a pro style range. So we do try to make our product as affordable as possible. So more people can have more pro style looks in their kitchen every day.
Well, I got to tell you, you know, I had an opinion of THOR before walking over here that it was cheap or discount. But having seen the booth, looked in everything, poked around, it's quality stuff, and I think that it's going to be a big hit in Colorado at Appliance Factory Fine Lines. This is Chef Mark. Thanks for tuning in.